Hello and welcome to Food Preparation and Nutrition. This is an exciting course that looks into the knowledge, understanding and skills that you require to prepare and cook food safely. The course also considers the relationship between diet and good health, looks at the range of factors that affect our food choices, the food science behind how ingredients work, the functional and nutritional properties, how to prepare, process, store food safely, and also look at the skills behind the choices, the recipe choices that students make to demonstrate these skills. The course is divided into 6 key areas of content. As you can see from the slide, they are food commodities, principles of nutrition, diet and good health, the science of food, where food comes from, cooking and food preparation. Each of these areas will be assessed in the Principles of Food Preparation and Nutrition written examination, which will be taken in Year 11. As part of the course, you will also have to complete 2 non-examination assessments. These are what are known as pieces of coursework. There are 2 pieces of coursework which equate to 50% of the GCSE grade. NEA 1 is the food investigation assessment, and it very much looks at the science of food and experimentation, and a completed written task will be required. And then the other, NEA 2, is the food preparation assessment, which is a brief whereby you have to complete a 3-course meal across a 3-hour time period. The written exam paper is actually sat in Year 11, and it is made up of 2 sections of compulsory questions which are assessed across the 6 key areas from the original slide. Section A is a stimuli material question, Section B are structured short and extended response questions. The total paper lasts 1 hour 45 minutes and is worth 50% of the GCSE grade. This slide shows 2 examples of the NEA coursework, one being the investigation, NEA 1, and one being the food preparation assessment, NEA 2. It gives an idea of the sorts of questions, briefs and titles that have come up over the years in taking this course. This shows some examples of students' work. We do encourage students to use ICT in their presentation of their assignments and their reports. Both NEAs are guided through, and guidance and support material is provided to allow the students to maximise the success of these 2 pieces of work. This slide shows the written examination style of questions. As you can see, there are data response, there are short answers, and further along there are some longer extended response questions. In covering the course content, there is a range of styles of delivery. There is a mixture of practical and theory lessons. A lot of the theory is supported by practical application. Students will be expected to have half-termly topic tests to support their knowledge and to practice any key theoretical concepts to build upon their knowledge. Practical work is always supported with sensory evaluation, and students are encouraged to review and reflect on their practical applications, either through taste testing or through more detailed work in their NEAs. We very much encourage students to be independent in their preparation of recipes, whilst guided and provided with key practical recipe choices. Later on, especially in the NEAs, there will be an expectation that students can make choices about the recipes related to the briefs that they are provided with. This last slide shows where GCSE food, preparation and nutrition can take you into the sixth form and beyond.